Barkada, mag-i-estimate. Casual lang yun. And then consultative. Consultative, meaning yung consult ko yan, the doctor. Makonsult ka, nakakasakit ko. Nakakasakit ka, upag ko. Say, advice nito, kaysa kasing-kasing daw. Nakakasakit ko, kasi buwan ka na nilo. Pangitang-iyap. Pero may gana is enough.
Sana all.
Consultative, and then we have formal. Kami sa formal, state of the nation address. Ano pa? Formal state pronouncements by the judges. Formal yun. Lalo na pag, okay, pupunta na sa judge, and then you're sentenced to 20 to 30 minutes. It's a formal declaration. Okay, process. Pag na mga flag ceremony,
Change.
kailangan ano tayo, or prayer, or kanang convocation. Kailangan stop tayo, and then we have to pose. Process. Ako, I have a frozen shoulder. Saan meron? Okay, we have types of speech. Okay, unahin natin si Jose. This was last 1962 pa siya. Sabi niya may tatlo siyang act. Locutionary act. Meaning,
Locutionary. Sorry, locutionary.
how na rin mani? What do you mean by locutionary? Locutionary, isama ko na. Sabi, sige.
Speak.
Isama ka na mo. Ay, di pa. Okay, number one is locutionary. You read.
It refers to saying something with a certain meaning in traditional sense. Simply put, it is the actual act of uttering.
Okay, the speaker says, please do the dishes. So, locutionary. Mura kag nanuko. Please. O, command. Locutionary. Pagmita kay locutionary,
Locutionary force is the speaker's intent. Force.
so, a locutionary, isa to, inanyang trabaho. And then, percolation. Come on.
It refers to the acts that create an effect on the feelings, thoughts, or actions of either the speaker or listener. It is the resulting act of what is said. By
Example, come on.
uttering the locution, please do the dishes, the speaker wants to drop whatever the address is doing and go do the dishes. This would lead to the address wash.
Ano daw yun? Pagmita per loko, parang naghamyo ko, kanya gitrabaho, kanya trabaho ka na lang po. Ano ba yun? Sobo, sobo. Yeah, ikaw na sobo. Ikaw lang tama. So, sabi ni Arcade Gimson, a speaker utters sentences with a particular meaning, that is locutionary. With a particular force, may lihok, locutionary. In order to achieve a certain effect on the hearer, perlocutionary. Sa nag-istorya man, so, locutionary, nagingon ka. Locutionary yung may force. Locutionary, nagingon ka. Murag ano ko, or permit, or buwan pa please. Ang perlocutionary, result sa, in order to achieve a certain effect, may effect or result, ibuha to, pwede na po equipment. So meaning, kung ang iyong disobo na mugas, nakakas ka na yung ikabugas. Nanay effect. So locosionary. So sabi naman ni Sir, yung act na yon, yan ang isabayan. Wala niya yun. Sabi niya, may isa assertive. A type of elocutionary act is the speaker expresses belief about the truth about great position. No one makes better pancakes than I do. Diba? Pareha po doon na siya nga. Kasi mo po, nagwaka ko. Diba? Ingon siya, elocutionary. Ako ang pinaka-lami, muli mo og pancake. Ito ko wala kayo ang mga bilamihan. Elocutionary. I-appreciate? Assertive. Assertive ang tawag doon. Pag-wentag directive, nanugo ka. Please close the door. Direction. Ratag ka direction. Kanina, we have assertive. Assertive mo ba nga? Kanya directive, naratag ka direction. Please open the door. Please open the window. Pag-wentag commissive, from now on, I will participate in our group activity. A type of elocutionary act is commits the speaker to do something in the future. Mag-comment ka, so I now pronounce you to be mine. Someone forever. Committed ka na. Ha? Committed. Expressive. I am so sorry for not helping out in our group projects and letting you do all the work. Expressive. Yan ang i-express yung sarili. Wala ko ng tabang.